Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 19th of December, 2018. Our weather high of 30. That's backwards. It's supposed to be a low of 32 and a high of 39. I don't know. I was doing it this morning bright and early. 10% chance of rain this afternoon. We've been talking about bathroom expectations. We talked about being safe. Today we're going to talk about being responsible. Being responsible in the bathroom means that you are using and flushing the toilet. Please flush the toilet. It's gross. Wash and dry your hands. That is the number one thing that will prevent the spread of illness and sickness is washing your hands. So make sure that you're doing that. Soap and water, sing your ABCs while you're scrubbing your hands together. Act like you're itching your palms, all that good stuff. Voice level of a 1 while you're in the bathroom. Nobody wants you talking loud to them while they're in the bathroom. It's kind of weird. Okay? Remember, be respectful while you're in the bathroom as well. Mrs. Johnson's groups will not meet today. She is not here. Today is holiday headwear. I literally had an elf hat this morning sitting next to the door back home, and I forgot it when I walked out. I apologize. Tomorrow is red and green day. Friday is pajama day. I got something special for Friday that I'm going to wear. It's not really pajamas, but it's pretty cool. So I look forward to doing that, and it'll be fun. Our lunch today is personal pan pizza, mixed fruit, applesauce, green peas, crunchy baby carrots, your choice milk. Tomorrow we're looking at that special holiday dinner with some sliced turkey, mashed taters, gravy, crunchy baby carrots, fruit sidekick, a gingerbread cookie. That's some good stuff right there. All right, let's see. Announcements. Today is the holiday sing at 10:05. Definitely looking forward to that. Looking forward to see you guys perform, as well as there's some special funny stuff from the teaching staff as well. And then the holiday shop is all day tomorrow. So our PE classes tomorrow are going to be a little bit funky. We apologize for that. And then also today, in particular, our fourth grade, I know Mr. Sodden's already talked to our teachers for that. Oh, I forgot to mention that unfortunately, tech is canceled today. Our Pledge of Allegiance, great job yesterday, Nathan Kinney. I know there's one more student out there. I believe it is in... Oh, she's actually here to do it. Come here. I'm actually doing the pledge right now. She just walked in. It's perfect timing. So she's going to come in, she's going to introduce herself, and we'll do the Pledge of Allegiance. So introduce yourself.
My name is Olivia Aaron, and I'm going to do the pledge.
All right, stand up for the pledge. Give him a second. All right, here we go.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America,
To the
republic which stands one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way. You want to say it with me? Go Voyagers. And go Voyagers.